Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to charge your mouse and the keyboard if you have the iMac. So basically, you're just going to pick it up, and on the reverse side, you'll see a few things. One thing is the switch for on and off, and I would go ahead and turn that off as I did because it's still active if you're near your computer. And at the bottom, there's just a little port there that you're going to plug it into. So it's just like plugging your phone in to charge it. So the mouse itself has a built-in battery. You don't take it apart and change the batteries. You actually just plug it in to charge it. So just like your cell phone, if you have an Apple product cell phone or iPad or anything like that. And so the keyboard is the same too. If you tilt it up, it's right here on the front. So you might be missing it. You may not have seen it. It's kind of small and inconspicuous, but it's just right there. So just plug those in and let them charge. You'll usually get a notification as well on the computer that they're low. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please check the playlist in the video description for my other videos that I've done on the iPhones and the Macs and everything like that. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.